Okay, now see the next topic, that is networking devices. So switch. Now see how the switch works. So as we discussed, switch is also a multi-port device. So suppose if you have multiple PC available, we have one, two, three, and four that PC available. So we have to need one multi-port device. This time we took this switch and we connect all the PC with this switch. After that, how the switch works. So first thing is switch works on full duplex. Second thing, why it works on full duplex? Because it has multiple collision domain. Multiple collision domain. Multiple collision domain means what? As we discussed, collision domain means that path by which your data will transfer from any means from first port to another port. So that is called collision domain. Yeah. So here multiple collision domain means what? If your switch has 24 ports, so that means there is 24 collision domain. Means a separate collision domain for every switch. If you have 8 port switch, so that means 8 collision domain available there. Means every port will transmit the data or will send the data using that on collision domain. And so okay, so it has multiple collision domain. That means it works on full duplex. Full duplex means any device or means both of the device can send the data or receive the data at the same time. Because for every device or for every port, it has means different collision domains. Path is not same this time. So for different paths, we can send the data at the same time. And so that because it has this full duplex, so we can say it works on unicast. Right? Unicast means what? One-to-one communication. Means if you will send the data from first PC to fourth PC, it will only transmit that data to the fourth PC. Second and third PC can't access the data if you don't want that. Right? That is called unicast. But one more concept is there. First time, when you will turn on your switch, suppose if your network is turned off, your switch, your devices all are turned off. Firstly, in the morning when you will turn on all the network, your device, your PC, so that time firstly it will broadcast the signal. Broadcast, first broadcast. And it will broadcast only hello packet. Hello packet means what? Firstly, your switch will send the hello packet to all the devices, all the connected devices, and then all the devices will send the MAC address of that device to the switch. And in that case, switch will create one table for that MAC address to store that MAC address. And that table is known as CAM table. CAM table. And in that table, switch will contain that information like port number and MAC address. This switch has 4 PC, so that means 4 ports. So that means first port, second port, third, and fourth. And it will contain the MAC address. So like this is the MAC address for first, second, and third. So why this MAC address? What will happen when you will send the data from first PC to fourth PC? That time, firstly, this switch will check in this table. Okay, on this fourth port, any device is available or not? Okay, so on fourth number, device is available. What is the MAC address of that device? Okay, that is the MAC address, right? And it will get that MAC address in that frame, as we discussed on data link layer. This switch works. So when this first PC will send the data to this switch, that time this switch has the header, and in that header the destination and the source address. So by the destination address, it will match in this table. Okay, this MAC address is available. So after that, this switch will send the data to this fourth one for that specific MAC address. So further, there is one CAM table, content addressable memory. This is how your switch works. And this is like the same, this first broadcast, like suppose first time. and we can say in its starting, as I took your introduction. In that introduction, what I do? Okay, hello everyone. So hello everyone means what? I just broadcast the signal. So hello everyone, you have to tell your introduction one by one, and you have to means in that introduction what you will means tell. You just tell that name and the designation and everything. So that I just create one table. I just create, okay, for the attendance purpose or for everything, right? And that is called cam table here. So now tell me, is that clear or any doubt?
Ravi, what was the full form? You tell cam table.
Content addressable memory.
Okay.
That is the content addressable memory, and that
Thank
is the first one. And this for this table, there is one chip. In this chip, that table will store. That is ESIC. ESIC chip. Uh, ESIC chip. In that chip, that type of table will store. Now, a switch is a networking device which filter and forward packet through the network. If you will see in this uh, PPT, so here you can see. There is no Okay. So here you can see in this definition, a switch is a networking device which filter and forward packet through the network. Filter means firstly it will check in this cam table, and then it will filter. Okay, I have to send this data to the port number PC. So it will send that data to the port number. Switch operate on data link layer of OSI model. So as we discussed also, it works on data link layer because here MAC address is available. But multi-layer switch operate on network layer. In market, multi-layer switch is also available. Multi-layer switch means it works on network layer. That means there is some functionality like the router. Not all the functionality, but some functionality available there. Means that type of switch also handle the IP address there. It can work on the IP address also. And that type of switch works in some corporate on in mainly used in like ISP companies, internet service provider companies. There they use that type of switch for some purposes like we suppose you just recharge your number with any specific plan like 399 or any recharge plan, and in that plan what you will get, like you get 1.5 GB data for I don't remember how many days, like suppose 56 days, and 1.5 GB for 56 days. So how they will apply that type of setting? So for that they will apply that setting on that type of switch, on that layer 3 switch. So what will happen after 1.5 GB? They will stop the means internet means to provide the internet there, and after 56 days they will restrict your connection. So there that type of layer 3 switch available there. And types of switch, so we have two types of switch available for the layer 2 also, for layer 3 also. Manageable and unmanageable. Manageable means what? That type of switch you can manage. Means here we have multiple settings like many features we can control. Means who is accessing the network, monitor for attack, help for remedy. So for that or ability to optimize performance, we can use that type of switch manageable. But unmanageable means what? That is only plug and play. Just plug and then start to use that. You can't manage any configuration, you can't manage any settings there in unmanageable. So in corporate, in companies, manageable switch is there. How we can manage, which command and which type of command, how we can run that. Everything we will see in next session. But for now, we have two types of switch. Right, now let me know any doubt.